Hey guys, come and unbox my new M-Pesa sewing machine with me. So this is the second M-Pesa sewing machine I'm using. I'll put a photo of the older one I was using. So that's the older one. So this is a Novice 150 sewing machine, and as you can see, it has 65 years plus trusted years. So they've been making machines for 65 years. So as you can see, it has 35 stitches. Yes, this machine has 35 stitches, guys. Isn't that amazing? So let me just open this. Let me remove the sellotape and we see what we have. Okay, before we open, let me just turn the box so that you can see the other amazing features on the other side of the box. So this is the other side of the box. As you can see, it's Novice M-Pesa Novice 150. Adjustable thread tension. It has 4-step buttonhole feature. It has reverse stitch. It has easy stitch selector and many more. So it has adjustable thread tension. You can choose the tension that you want, and this is a reverse lever. Just click on it and get your reverse stitch. So this machine, guys, is very nice. This is something I've used before, so I didn't even hesitate when getting this brand again because I've tried and tested it. It's amazing and it's durable. So now let me just show you the other side as well. So these are the stitches, 35 stitches. As you can see, the straight stitch and all the other stitches, they are 35 in total. Isn't that amazing, guys? On the other side of the box, we have additional features, guys. This is really amazing. Additional features, sewing machine with accessory kit, and many more. Wow, I just love M-Pesa. It's a very good affordable brand. Adjustable tension dial, top loading, and many more. Okay guys, so having said that, let's open and unbox the machine. So I'm just going to remove this sellotape. Oh, it's, where do I start from? Okay, I'm just going to start from here. I'm going to pull it out. Okay, so this is the inside of the machine. So as you can see, it has 35 stitches. 35 stitches. So this is the inside of the machine. So I'm just going to pull it out. Okay, I'm just going to start from here. I'm going to pull it out. So this is the inside of the machine. So as you can see, it has 35 stitches. 35 stitches. So this is the inside of the machine. So I'm just going to pull it out. So this is the sewing manual. It comes with the machine to guide you through.